In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if you're not receiving the verification code from Claude AI. First, double-check that you've entered the correct email address or phone number linked to your Claude account. A small typo can prevent the verification code from being delivered. Next, check your spam, junk, promotions, or filtered folders if you're using email verification. Sometimes verification emails are mistakenly filtered by your email provider. If you're using phone verification, make sure your device has a stable network connection and can receive text messages. You can also try toggling airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. If the code still hasn't arrived, wait a few minutes and then select the option to resend the verification code. Avoid requesting too many codes in a short period, as this can trigger temporary rate limits. You can also try signing in from a different browser or clearing your browser's cache and cookies before requesting a new code. If none of these steps work, check whether there are any temporary service issues affecting Claude and try again later. And that's how you can fix Claude verification codes not being received. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.